Hello, hello everybody. Hello everybody. CJ Compton here at Portage Road. Here just outside of Jackson, Michigan. We have a train coming. Check it out. Roll it. This is a westbound train. This is a westbound train. This is Amtrak number 355. And when I looked on the Amtrak train tracker, it was just near Chelsea. But I think I am hearing a horn now, so I don't think it's that far. And like I said, this is at milepost 68.22 here at this crossing. I probably will not be back here for a little while after today is over, because I want to be a little farther west on the main line at times. So I'm lucky that I am lucky that I decided to come here today for the last time for a while. And the current time is 7:37 p.m. I would like to say this in the video. It should be going through here by 7:40 p.m. If not, maybe a little sooner, but how much sooner can it get? It's almost 7:40 now. So it will more than likely be going through here at 7:40 p.m. The current time now is 7:38 p.m. And down there at the blinking light that is Michigan Avenue, which goes into downtown Jackson for the most part, but this only goes to, I forget the road name. I forget where this road goes when you're heading. Well, never mind. Here it comes. Roll it. This is Amtrak number 355. I kind of had to interrupt myself there because the train was coming, but like I was saying, I don't know where this road goes to when you make a left there at the stop sign. I forget the road name, like I said. I'm back here, but I might not be back here until at least on Sunday, March 22nd. Maybe, if I'm lucky and I do come back here. Because I do have a plan on going back to Erie Road for maybe 2 more Amtrak trains by the first day of April. But anyway, that was Amtrak number 355. Amtrak number 355 starts out in Pontiac, Michigan, heads west to Chicago, Illinois, where it terminates at the Chicago Union Station. The current time is 7:41 p.m. It went through here at 7:40 p.m. I am going to head home now, but before I do, on this Thursday, March 12th, All on this Thursday, March 12th of 2026 from CJ Compton on YouTube. If you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel and give my videos a thumbs up. That will help my channel out a lot. I don't know when the new rails are going to be going in. I know it's going to be at some point. Anyway, I am going to head home now, so I guess that's it. So let's roll it. I hope y'all enjoyed. And that is it. I hope y'all have a good night, everyone.